The creation of the Caesar salad is a testament to culinary improvisation and the vibrant spirit of the Prohibition era. Cesare Cardini, navigating the bustling demands of his Tijuana restaurant on a hectic 4th of July, turned a scarcity of ingredients into a timeless dish. With a simple yet flavorful combination of romaine lettuce, garlic croutons, parmesan, olive oil, and Worcestershire sauce, Cardini crafted a salad that was as much about the experience as the taste, preparing it with flair right at the table. Initially dubbed Aviator's Salad by his brother Alex, the dish underwent a slight transformation with the controversial addition of anchovies. Despite this change, the salad's popularity soared, eventually becoming a staple in both Hollywood and European dining scenes. Its recognition by the International Society of Epicures in 1953 as a top American culinary creation solidified its status, ensuring that Cardini's improvisation would be celebrated for generations.